Welcome to Chapter 11. We're almost at the finish line. In this chapter, we'll explore some essential project tools to ensure accuracy and efficiency in our work. Now that we have our models in place and have created both orthographics and isometrics, it's crucial to maintain the project database. This ensures that what we have in our P&IDs corresponds with our piping models. To get started, we'll open our Chapter 11 project by navigating through the Project Manager to the desktop, locating our exercise files, and opening the Chapter 11 Project XML. Next, let's examine our Drawing 11 model. We previously reviewed this drawing while working with P&IDs and exploring the link between P&IDs and 3D models. Now, we will take a deeper dive into validation to ensure our models are aligned with our project specifications. To do this, open 11_PID. One of the key advantages of using an intelligent piping design program is the ability to check if our models are complete by running a validation in the database. Before finalizing our drawings, we can use the validation tool to compare our models and P&IDs against a predefined checklist. Let's walk through the validation process and explore some common issues that may arise. When working in Project Manager, navigate to Chapter 11, right-click, and you'll see options to validate the project or its settings. Validating the entire project can take time, especially for large projects. But we can streamline the process by validating specific disciplines such as P&IDs or models individually. For P&ID validation, potential errors may include size mismatches, where a 4-inch valve is placed on a 2-inch line, or specification mismatches, where a 150-pound valve is used on a 300-pound line. Non-terminating lines are also flagged since every line in a facility must have a proper endpoint, even for vents and drains. Additionally, unconnected components, incorrect flow directions, orphan annotations, and misplaced page connectors can all be detected through validation. When validating 3D piping models, we check for disconnected ports, placeholder parts, property mismatches, incorrect AutoCAD items, and discrepancies between 3D models and P&IDs. For instance, if a tagged inline item appears in the model, but not in the P&ID, or if a valve type differs between the two, the validation tool will flag these inconsistencies. Understanding the validation options is essential to ensure accuracy in your project. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these settings and their benefits. Keep in mind that validating an entire project may take a long time, so using selective validation by project, drawing type, or individual model can make the process more efficient.